this is Annette. Welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a video and it's going to be a leather wrap bracelet. So the things that you are going to need, it's a flat nose plier, wire cutters, charms of your choice, or crystals or pearls, whatever you would like to use, leather, and I'm using 2.5 yards of leather. And I am using 24 gauge wire, this time in black, because I wanted to make it like a little accent on the bracelet, but you can use any wire that you have. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take this piece of leather, whatever you want to use. In this case, I use leather, and I'm going to leave at least a tail of maybe 6 inches or something. No, maybe this is longer than 6 inches. I'm going to say around 10 inches, and I'm going to hold it with my hand right here, and I'm just going to go around a couple of times, and it just serves me for like a 3 strand. That way these two pieces kind of are the same size. I'm going to try to make them the same. There you go, same size on them. That way I can tie a knot down here, and this will be my actual bracelet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my bracelet the way it's sitting right here, and I'm going to make a couple of markings on them. You can choose whatever types of charms you want. It doesn't matter really at this point what size or how many you want to put on. For me, I'm just going to do, let's do 3 rows, or no, I'm going to mark here. I want them in different places. Here. Oh, this is not writing. It was writing. There you go. Here. Maybe another one here. And if I can, another one here. It depends on the size of the bead. But since I have so many little charms there, I'm just going to put them all the way around. And the reason you're marking this is because that's where your bead is going to go. Okay? So make sure you mark that really well. And then when we stretch this, we just look for the markings that we created. So I have one there, I have one there, one there. There has to be another one. Here's another one. So the first thing you're going to do is just going to grab your wire, and let me pull this wire out. You know, I should cut this right here, so I can definitely loosen this wire a little bit better. There we go. And I'd like to push it out, or if I pull it in right here, I know where the wire is. And you can pick, we can do 2-3 inches of wire. I'm going to do at least, I don't know, 6 inches of wire, just because I want to make sure I put my beads in place. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Let me see if that helps better. There we go. So here's my first one, and I'm going to put this one in right here. But you know what? Let me wrap this first. So if I have my little mark right here, that means that that's where the actual bead is going to go. So I'm just going to try to wrap this around it as best as I can. Okay. Just wrap it just a couple of times, 2-3 times, whatever works for you. Okay. Just like that. Just make sure you're comfortable with what you're doing, okay? It's not a science, it's just a little project. And then when you're ready with it, I just flatten it with my flat nose pliers right there. And then that's where my bead is gonna go. In this case, I'm just gonna put this little square that I have. You can use a flat bead if you want to. It's not a big deal, but it's really up to you. You can make it as tight as you want to, or as loose as you want to. So I think I'm going to go a little bit tighter, because I kind of did it not so tight on this side, and I think I like the tighter version of it. 2, 3, 4 times, whatever, how many times you want to. And then you're going to cut this, and you're going to flatten this here so it doesn't hurt you. Okay, just get it in there really well. That's where these pliers come in hand really well. I think I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to redo this side, because I kind of like the tightened version of the way we did that other side. So just, you know, it's really up to you how you want to do it. Just get it right in there. Just right in there. Okay. And then I think that looks good. Then I'm going to flatten this, and I'm going to cut this right here. And I've tried this with like 20 gauge. It's too thick. So I think 24 works really well because it's very comfortable and it's easy to put in there. Okay, I have another one here, so how about we put this one in here? Yeah, just something different. And again, pick whatever you think you're gonna use. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know, you're gonna have a little bit extra. So pick whatever size you wanna do there. And I'm gonna grab this. Make it really, really tight on this end right here. You know what? I'm gonna try something because I usually just wrap that first, but I'm just gonna try something different. I'm gonna put this here and then I'm going to hold it in place right there where my little marking is. I hope you can see that, sorry. My little marking is, and because I have a better grip here, I think that's easier to do this. You can wrap it as tight as you want to, remember. There's no right or wrong on this one because you are going to end up flattening that. So however you want that. And again, this is just a way of me holding this in place, which is fine. And then I'm going to cut here. I think I did too much on this side and not enough on this side. Oopsie. Well, we'll see what we can work with here. And I'm going to flatten this. There we go. Then I'm going to flip it to this side. And yes, I did leave very little for me to use, but we're going to do the best we can with what we have. And I think that's just going to be fine. Well, you know what? It worked out perfect because I only gave it. There we go. There we go. Just going to flatten that there. That's perfect. It's not going anywhere. There you go. There's the other one. Perfect. Okay. Here's my other marking. I'm going to do a pearl this time. And again, just get you some wire. These are easy projects, super simple and fun. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it through the hole. And this will be, it's easier this way because, and then now I got to make sure I have my half and half here so I don't mess it up. So there we go. And then I'm going to do this side. These are so fun and so cute. You know, once you start making them, you can use different wire color. You can make this longer or shorter, however you want to do it. It's gonna look really pretty once you have it on. There we go, let's cut. And then I'm gonna turn it to the other side because it's easier for me to do that. There we go. And then I'm gonna wrap this right here. There we go. I think I like it. I like it just like that. And flatten. There we go. I think these are fun to do. Here's my other marking. I'm gonna do this little one. I think that's gonna look cute. And again, I'm just eyeballing whatever you think you're gonna use on your wire. Doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure you have half and half and not make the same mistake I did. Okay. This is all about the wrapping and the color wire you want to use and how you want to use it and how tight you want it. And it's just a lot of fun. Quick and easy, super fast project. Okay, here we go again on the other side. There we go. This is so cute. And you can either make it messy or you can make that wire be all straight. I think the straight pattern is what I end up liking. So there we go. That's cool. Let me see if I don't have any others here on this side. Oh, I have a marking right here. Did I miss that one? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I do have a marking there. I have two, one here and one here. Okay, so let's do this one right here. Okay. Oops, I think I'm pulling it from the wrong side. Where's my wire? There you go. Gotta find my piece of wire. I'm gonna put it right in here. These are so cute. These beads are like little blossom tree there. So it's kind of cute. Okay, here's one of my markings right here. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna put another pearl on the last one that I'm gonna do. Okay, almost done. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I like it when people leave their comments down below, whether that may be to give me new ideas or to just talk about what they've been doing through this stay-at-home time. It's kind of nice, you know, having those conversations. I like to get to know you guys. Plus, I'm very blessed because my subscribers really do like to watch my videos and like to interact, which is a nice thing, you know. Okay, flatten that and cut this excess. I should have cut it first, but oops, there we go. Cut this piece right here. Flatten. Okay, and I think I have one more. Yeah, right here. How about we do another pearl? Yep, let's do another pearl. Let me get this wire out. There we go. I hope I'm in focus. I bought new equipment, new phone, new lighting, and for some reason in my past 2 videos I've been having a tremendous headache with the focusing part. So I hope this video comes out a little bit better. If you guys can leave me your comments and let me know what you think, that would be great. Okay, I'm going to flip this around and I'm going to do this side. And then we're going to put it on and see what happens. Ooh, I'm nervous. We'll see. I think it's going to turn out pretty. I love this purple, by the way. Such a beautiful purple. I was trying to think, what can I combine this with? Then I found my 24 gauge wire in black and I was like, that's perfect. And then I started finding beads and I was like, that's perfect. Okay, so we have all the beads in here. I'm gonna move this aside. Okay, move this aside and I'm gonna zoom out. That way you guys can see. So again, we said, let's leave around 6. So we're gonna grab it through there. So this sits here, okay? We're gonna go around and around. Oh, oops. Yep, no. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I just have to get it centered. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. And there we go. Oh, these two turn out together. I think I'm short on one side, so hold on. Let's move this back a little bit. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. So the things that happen. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. And now you can make a little knot here. Okay, so that's all you need down here. You can always add additional charms to the end. Right here, you can always wire wrap that. But look at this, how cute this turned out. Isn't that pretty? I think I love this charm bracelet, or this bracelet with little beads on it. I mean, this is so cute. I really love it. You can loosen it up a little bit. You can tighten it as tight as you want to. And I wish I had more charms here with me, but otherwise I would have just grabbed a charm and just hook it up from the end right here and let it dangle, because that would look really, really pretty right here. Oh, this turned out so cute. I really, really like it. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you like it, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to hit that ring bell beside the subscribe button. And until next time, God bless.